Hi everybody, this is CR number 23, helper video number 3. It says write 5x plus y equals 10 in slope-intercept form. Well, the first thing you have to remember is slope-intercept form looks like this. Y equals mx plus b. And what you have to remember is this. M is the slope, b is the y-intercept, okay? But right now what we have is this. 5x plus y equals 10. Well, what's wrong with this? Well, first of all, the y needs to be by itself on the left side of my equal sign. It could be on the right side too. I prefer it on the left. So my y I want to get by itself. So if I look over here at my equation, it looks like the y is not by itself because it has this lovely 5x attached to it. Well, when we've done equations in the past, we have totally moved things back and forth between both sides of the equal sign. So we're going to go ahead and do that again. If I want to zero out these 5x's and move them to the other side of the equal sign, I have to do the opposite of a positive 5x, and that would mean a negative 5x. Remember, if I have 5x's and I take 5x's away, I end up with 0 x's, which is what I want, only y's on one side. But now remember, anything I do to one side of the equal sign, and if you need to put this up, you can do this as well, I have to do to the other side. So I'm going to go ahead and put that minus 5x on this side. Notice I did not put the negative 5x under the 10 because they're not like terms. This has a variable of x, this is a constant, so I cannot put them together. I bring down my equal sign. According to the correct slope-intercept form written right here, I know that I'm going to write my x's first. So what would I write first here? I would write my x's first. So I would write my negative 5x first, and it's a positive 10. So there you go. Y equals negative 5x plus 10, and the answer is right here, and that is y equals mx plus b form. Good luck.